Hello, my fellow investors in EL State. I just want to let you guys know that the Miami Summit is coming up on the 31st of January 2026, and I don't want anybody to miss it. Okay, if you are in the USA and you are in the Florida area, you are in my team. I know I have few people around Florida that are in my team in EL State. Please make sure that you clear that date from your diary to make sure that you will be able to attend on the 31st of January 2026. So there is ample enough time for you to make arrangements to get yourself there. Now, what I have been told by the CEO is that the co-founder of EL State, Mr. Mike Hamilton, is going to be there, right? And I just want to share with you few things that you should be expecting when you get there on the 31st of January 2026. So the event is actually at 485 Braco Avenue, right? So don't miss it. It's in Miami. And these are the things that you should be expecting on that day. Exclusive insights from EL State founders and industry experts, global networking with agents, investors, and partners, real case studies of tokenized properties generating real income. And then, of course, they are going to give you a little bit of roadmap of what is going to be happening between 2026 and 2034. Okay, so guys, I don't want anybody to miss this. This is the best opportunity to meet with the co-founder, Mike Hamilton, and also to have the ability to take a tour of the real estates that they have in Miami. Now, remember that we have some apartments in Miami that some people already in our team have purchased. So this would be a good opportunity for all of you to be there on the 31st of January and witness and even see the property physically, just to make you aware that EL State is here to make serious impact in the real estate world. So guys, this is it. I just thought I should let you guys know to get you prepared for 2026, this global event that is coming in Miami. So that being said, I just want to share with you my back office. Today that I'm recording this video is 24th of October. This platform was introduced to my team on the 18th of October. So that is barely 6 or 7 days. And already I have closed 10 real estate deals, as you can see from here. Okay, my agent level at the moment is still baby agent level. I am just level 2, right? There are people that started this platform before me that are big leaders, bigger than me, that are on agent level 8, agent level 9. Okay, these are the people that are actually making real deals, closing thousands and thousands and thousands of deals in EL State. Okay, so guys, this is a good achievement for me. At least it's just only 6 or 7 days and I have already closed 10 deals and over $4,000 in the purchase of real estate and EL State. So guys, please make sure that you attend the summit happening on the 31st of January. That is the message that I am passing to all of you that are in my team. So I look forward to seeing you guys January 2026 if you guys will be there. Now, for those of you that don't know what EL State is, I have done 2 videos presenting EL State. I have done Zoom meeting presenting EL State, and all of these videos are in my channel. So if you are looking to know more about EL State, please remember to watch those videos in my channel so that you will be aware of what is happening here. But let me give you a quick idea of what we are doing here. We are purchasing a fraction of a real estate, and then we earn between 0.1% to 1% on a daily basis. And the good news is we are able to withdraw our profit on a daily basis. Okay, and they have different estates, they have different real estates that you can purchase from. For example, they have this Miami apartments, they have houses, they have villas, they have tourism, they have commerce, they have business, they have land plots, they have developments, they have business developments. So you can choose either of these ones, okay, to purchase a fraction of them, because they are all tokenized property, which means you can actually trace and track them in the blockchain. Okay, so this is a good opportunity for people around the world to own a fraction of real estate without having to go through the traditional method that is very, very tedious, right? This is simple and easy to get on board. If you use the link below this video description, you will be able to get on board just within 5 minutes. Everything is done. Get your registration done. Make sure your name and your email address is correct, and then do your KYC, which doesn't take more than 2 or 3 minutes for you to get your KYC done. And then the next thing is to deposit the funds into the platform and then purchase your real estate. Now, the videos on how to do everything is below this video description as well. The link to those videos, I have added it in the video description. So if you watch those videos, you will be able to register successfully. You will be able to do your KYC successfully. You will be able to deposit and purchase a fraction of your estate. So guys, don't miss this opportunity, because it's a good opportunity for every single person in the whole world to own a fraction of an estate that will be generating daily income for yourself and for your family, of course, right? So guys, let's hit Florida. Let's make sure that we don't miss this Miami Summit, January 2026. Thank you guys, and God bless.